So we're gonna do some Pokemon card unpackaging from this tin I got at Walmart. It's a really cool tin. Got this coin to go with it. So let's open from the chilling region. I don't know what that is. Porygon2. Energy. Ghastly. Snover. Sneasel. Swirlix. Alright, well, that's that. Let's go to Lost Origin. See if we can get something good in this pack. I'm tempted to open that Evolving Skies right over there. But I know I'll regret it if I do, because then I won't be mint in the pack. Okay, so here we go with the code. Damage pump. Kingdra. Bronzer. Goomy. Ah, fell. Okay, well, not really much anything good that I see anyway. That's the code. I already have that card. I do like the energy style card. Oh, this one's gorgeous. This one I love. Ooh. Okay, well, this pack I scored. Okay, well, that's it for that one. Have a good night, everybody.